To add a diagnosis for a resident, start by hovering over Care Services and selecting Residents. Locate the resident and select their name. Then, navigate to the Medical Diagnosis tab. Next, select New Diagnosis. If you know the ICD-10 code, type it into the code field. The system will automatically pull in the diagnosis description. If needed, adjust the date in the date field. The rank field can be left blank unless this diagnosis is the primary reason the resident is moving in. In that case, select Primary from the drop-down. You can also add comments in the comment box, but this is optional. When you're finished, select Save. If you have additional diagnoses to enter, select Save and New. If you don't know the ICD-10 code, simply type the diagnosis in the description box. For example, I'll type diabetes and press Enter. This will display a list of related diagnoses. You can also click the Diagnosis Hot List button to view commonly used diagnoses related to your search. For this example, I'll select Type 2 Diabetes. Again, adjust the date, rank, or add comments if needed, and click Save. When finished, a pop-up screen will appear. Select Close. You will now see a list of all the residents' diagnoses. To update a diagnosis, click the Update button to the left. For example, I can add a comment like, Resident takes Eliquis daily. Comments are optional but can provide helpful details. Select Update. Then select Close on the pop-up screen. Any diagnosis with a comment will have an icon to the right of the description. Hover over it to view the comment. If a diagnosis has been resolved, you can update the resolve date. For example, if the resident no longer has anemia, click on the Update button. Then select the calendar icon to choose the resolve date. Once finished, click Update and then click OK. You can also strike out a diagnosis that was entered in error. To do this, click Update, select Strike Out at the bottom, choose the reason from the drop-down such as Wrong Chart, then click Save. The diagnosis will now be removed from the resident's medical diagnosis list.